Hi everyone, it's Thomas. I wanted to give you a quick demo of the next product releases on Housecat. Our goal is to help save you hours of time each week by automating your emails, meetings, project management, and CRM. We want to let you focus on the stuff that actually matters, like talking to customers, making that important hire, and building your actual product. So now, when you log in to Housecat, the first thing you see is this new Your Week dashboard. The view is customized for each user based on their specific needs and the role they have. So, for example, I'm a busy founder, and I'm mostly focused on go-to-market and my customers, but I also have some company ops stuff to work on as well. My dashboard helps me making sure I never miss any important tasks or emails and keeps everything in one place. So let's go through each thing one by one. First up, we have the pipeline view. Our Housecat agent reads your emails and categorizes them intelligently based on whether the companies are already in your CRM, the contents of those emails, and whether you already know the introducer. You can quickly see at a glance email intros that need actioning, emails that I sent, for example, and haven't yet had a reply, so these probably need a follow-up because I haven't heard anything for more than 2 weeks from these people. And I can also see cold emails, and some are flagged here by relevance, but we hide all the ones that maybe seem less relevant. We in live deals, we track upcoming meetings and help you prepare for them. With one click, you can open an agent session for this meeting, for example, and click off a process of doing meeting prep, and the agent will pull in additional research, find the relevant context on this meeting that they already have on file, and help you write an agenda or prep. Here are some meetings that recently happened. Housecat tracks the status of these meetings. For example, this one doesn't have any meeting notes, and these two are overdue. And we pull in all the relevant documents and external links, for example, meeting notes, presentations, the data room, and maybe screen recordings. You can also see other email threads here from open deals that need action taking, all in one place. One of my favorite views is this single page for looking at my customers. So here are my kind of top customers that I have right now with some information about them. And then underneath, Housecat has extracted tasks and action items from emails, Slack, and meeting note recordings, and turn them into structured task list with prioritization and due dates, and all this stuff is again tracked in one place. As I said, I also have to manage some company operations tasks. So Housecat has automatically created these tasks, but you could also add items yourself or import them from tools like Notion or Attio, or maybe even a Google Sheet. You have a project management in a Google Sheet and want to have that in a more central, automated way. I've mentioned the Housecat agent a few times as well, and I wanted to talk about that quickly. Our tools are powered by the best models in the world from Anthropic and Google, but unlike other tools, the Housecat platform comes preloaded with all these primitives for company, contacts, emails, tasks, and the pre-built connections for Google and Gmail and Attio and Notion, etc. And so when you do use this tool, regardless of whether it's for an ad hoc query or for building new workflows and automations, the results are much, much cleaner. For example, you can ask ad hoc questions like, what was my... Or you can kick off new projects and automations, like, the job completed. We have our new customer meeting summary to Slack. Automation is now running. That's all for today. If you have any questions or thoughts, I would love to talk to you. And thanks very much for listening.